I never cooking us so right. Hi. So folks, you know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? Well, being the great head chefs that we are, actually Bellamy is the best chef.
And that would be
of
me.
all time.
That would be me.
His cooking show is coming up
Soon.
So since he's here, we're going to make use of him. We've decided to make breakfast for the crew this morning. Which crew gonna eat? Pardon me, Shane? Okay, Pata Bonner.
Let's
say
get
what
started.
is right. Okay, what are we making this morning, Chef?
Eh?
What are we making?
Them going to show us and ask us to duplicate.
Ready?
Let's go. Hold on. Wait, pass one of them bread there.
Wait, no man, wait. So we're cutting out the middle off the bread. You have a plate over there?
Yeah. It's not look like so easy if you do it.
Not hard.
It's not hard. Mm-hmm. So it's
Perfect. And your angles are so perfectly sharp and linear. Good job. Go team. Now scoot out of the middle.
scoot out it.
Why you
Why
so
am I-
much for linear and sharp?
Yeah, know that.
Now it's gonna massacre.
But this alone won't take for the whole
No
day.
frill.
What?
First, let me cut my own
It
bread
now
over here.
cut, prop the knife.
What happened after that now, produce?
You crack the egg, 3 egg.
3?
Yeah, and what's that, a knife, yeah?
Then them couldn't give me like a knife to proper crack. Cracking and whisking.
Thank you.
Can I have something to put the...
That's forever. Me still want to use my hand and just go so, kunk, and I can't do
That
that.
is the next level of chefference.
And that is bothering me.
Uno, dos. You're gonna cut that one better than this one?
Mm-hmm.
Tres. And then we're whisking.
Mm-hmm. No, that tune starts at 9, you know.
It's rather... Okay. We're going to whisk to the music.
That's nice. If next time them just bring a knife with.
I know, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So
okay.
then we're going to put the bread in. Okay.
What we do?
I'm going to put in the bread in. Let me see your bread. Not from me don't like how your bread
This
look.
part? Oh, you have
think-
to put butter in pot first, them say. How much thing we have here?
So go on now, just take off a piece of the butter. Make sure it's enough. Spread him in the pot.
And then what we do now? You have to cut out more bread?
No, one is good. Turning up the fire a little bit.
And what
All
we
right,
do now?
wait till the butter melt a little bit. All right, okay. Oh, look. Oh, it's dos partes de pan.
Yeah, but we have that already. That cut out already.
So go on then.
So this must just go down, so now.
Hold on. We're getting there.
Like that need to turn up because
It is on high, Papa. Look how we
Like-
just
like
put it
pasta.
on.
Put in this now?
Hold on. All right.
Folks. This is also a listening togetherness
Teamwork makes the dream work.
every time.
All right.
And now Clive bring the right knife.
Let's go.
Put in that now.
Move it over because you're going to need 2. Yeah.
No, that's a problem.
Yeah.
That's a problem.
Can fit?
That
Okay.
fit.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
And if you, oh, okay. Just the two of us.
So why you cut this up so small? It's not as small as this Hans of the video.
And the next one round.
And the next one is round.
Somebody sure this turn up enough? This not turn
it's
up high
on,
enough.
I just turned it down a little bit because you don't want it to scorch the...
We're good now?
Yeah. And what you must do now? Flang the egg over it.
Flang the egg.
From this so? No man, we need a... You can't just flag the egg from...
Some of this one turn up.
It's on high now. Do you want it to go any higher than that?
So this may look on and see medium.
Yes, you're looking on the wrong... do you hear that sizzling?
So why the two of them on and we only using one, please?
Because...
You know, so we not pay for this.
When you say no, what do you mean?
The folks who, because him, we look exactly like what them do.
You're supposed to.
Sim, turn off this for please. That confuse me. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it? And we
Yeah,
just sit down and
so we
look
just
at it
wait now.
Oh, you have to put in the cheese thing.
How the cheese work?
On top of it.
Just flang it on top? This is the right cheese, American cheese?
Yeah.
You can give us some mozzarella so we could sprinkle it over
Yeah,
it.
and make it look like. Oh.
Wow. Shane is so...
They must move Shane from anything that
I agree.
we can hear.
The whole of cheese just go on top of
Yeah,
it?
right on top. Yeah. No, we are greatest, you know.
I don't know about that.
No, but look at that. We are doing exactly what they are doing.
Oh.
And them one don't look, and we're not putting no ketchup on thing. And them one don't look nice like ours, to be
Gotcha.
fair.
Are you sure you don't want any changes?
Are you sure you don't want to be quiet? All right. Do you smell that aromatic?
Yeah, and then you see when it melts, you know what you do with these? When it melts, you just put that on top of it.
No.
I'm telling you.
Says who?
I'm not asking.
Can we get a... Oh. So this like toasting? Some of the egg?
Are the butter that?
No, that's the egg.
Oh, yeah, man. Well, I just never think it's hot enough, but someone said it's
It's on high.
put the bread over it now.
Why are we putting the bread over
Eh?
it? So the bread must go over it?
Yeah.
Go on.
And then you're supposed to flip it and make it melt and thing. Flip up, Sama. Wait a little bit before you flip it, Sam.
Ready?
No, man, you're the greatest in the world.
One flick.
This is breakfast for Clivey Divey. Two flick.
flick.
Look how we
Ooh,
think look
that's
nice.
pretty.
Oh, man, come on, man. We don't rate we, you know.
This just needs another 30 seconds and then...
And you
breakfast
see,
is
when I
served.
was cutting my bread with the dull knife, everybody laugh after me like I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah,
And
true,
it-
but that
and-
never
But look
nice.
at that, look at that. Of
All
course,
right,
me and my
cool.
wife know these things.
Come, Nefri, pásame el plato. You ready?
We do this at home regularly.
You?
Yeah.
Ready? Is Clive really gonna eat this?
Yep.
I think he should. It's his birthday.
Clivey Divey, come here 1 second, please. Ladies and gentlemen, courtesy of Sammy Rooney
Where's the garbage?
and Chef Bellamy.
Happy birthday, Clive. We made this especially for you on your special day.
Looking just old enough to have a little wine. And if you're shaved, you're not old enough. Here you go, sir.
Here's your knife and fork.
Hold on, we're not done yet. Wait, no, man.
That not big enough, sir.
You know
Him
that.
need more. Him need more, just in case him drew, because it's so delicious.
Yeah. All right, hold on. Wait,
From
wait,
the-
wait, sir.
Wait, you're
Wait
not
now.
putting any around the sides.
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, man. You can't mess up no part of your clothes, you know.
Do it now, Papa.
All right. Go on now, my brother.
You're drooling.
Yeah, man. You want a big knife? That knife is good?
This is perfectly
Yeah.
fine. Moment of truth.
Yeah, let's see.
Good? Wow. I'm good for this morning.
So good, not excellent, brilliant.
All right, all right. We like it. We're gonna say no diabetes here because this is, healthy food.
Summer, we really did brilliant, you know. And
Actually, very nice. I'm
and
gonna make this at home.
And it started by my cutting out the bread with this dull
I
knife.
said no bread cutting, it would have been a disaster. But look at the ooey gooey goodness in the middle. The cheese is all melted.
No, man, you take this too serious.
Perfectly
No,
toasted.
you take it serious, man. We'll soon come. We're going to talk.
So proud of
Very,
us.
very important discussion when we come back. Stay with us, please.